December come and Christmas song a play. Christmas come and Christmas trees a blow. Festive parties a session every day. Christmas come and Christmas trees a blow. Lots of smiles and laughter all about. Christmas come and Christmas trees a blow. And children dreaming of gifts without a doubt. Christmas come and Christmas.
All right, so it's Christmas trivia, I'm told. Trivia means it's supposed to be easy, but I have a feeling not going to be easy.
Trivia never said anything
It's supposed to be easy. That's what it's called, trivia. All right, heads I win, tails you lose.
Haha, funny. Can't catch me with that.
Tails, you lose.
Funny. Go on, start, Neville. I'll be the gentleman's lady.
No. Come.
And go.
All right, go.
Tails.
Tails. You win. Oi.
Okay, what's the first question? Little more silly competition.
No, but I threw it. I'm in the way, baby.
You can't catch.
Jody, we'll just move on with
Yeah,
public
Jody,
and see
in
the
front of the
question.
screen.
Yeah?
You need to see the question.
Okay,
what's the first question? I don't see a question, so I can't answer anything. Dum, da, dum, 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 dum. Here we go. Da, 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 da. Here we go. On what day is Grand Market celebrated in Jamaica? Christmas Eve. That's the 24th, Christmas Eve.
That's the answer?
Then I must have the answer. Have look a sense. So we must pick a thing right here, sir. Oops.
Yeah, man, must have picked something.
And then look on the number. 110.
Number 10.
No, 110.
110, 2, 3, 4, 5. See it here.
What kind of baby balloon this? Sonia can't get this.
All right, what is my question? I never know that one, so don't give me one like that. What is Grand Market? Which is of the following is a Jamaican Christmas tradition is not celebrated in America?
Oh
John
gosh,
Kuno.
that's so easy.
John Kuno.
What?
John
Of course
Kuno.
you're right. You don't even need to ask them. You know you're right.
All right?
Of course he's right. John Kuno is Jamaican.
Then somebody just tell me now. 17. It's 17. It's the lickest balloon in my place.
Okay, what's the next one? Next one. We don't see another one, so we don't see it. Oh, okay. There we go. What is added to the traditional Jamaican Christmas drink sorrel to preserve it? Well, all of that actually. And all of those things are preservatives.
No, you have to answer one.
No, that's what I said. D. D says all of the above.
All of the above?
Yeah.
That's right? All of the above is right?
Of course. You don't make sorrel. What am I saying?
Kerry, turn up that please. I don't answer my question when I am talking. Do.
Okay. 100 and big up Auntie Rosie for the 132. Big up Auntie Rosie for the bashment sorrel every year. By the way, my mother is trying to find you because I want some sorrel.
Hey, stop. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
132. Where is 132?
Oh dear. Oh dear. This is even smaller than yours.
Next question. Next question.
What is this?
Next question. Which reindeer has a shine or is known as Rudolph? I know
I thought you were going to say
personally.
Sakino.
I know Rudolph personally.
Did you? What's
Number
the
30.
number? You win it.
Number 30.
You win it. You won. Oh my gosh, I saw that it was 30. You know? Okay, blow it up.
Next question.
You still want to finish it. He won, guys. He
Yeah,
won
but
the big
next question.
balloon.
I like it. I like
and
it.
it's not rotten. Marvin said by the time you get how many wise men visit baby Jesus? 3. The 3 wise men. I still have to pick it up. You can't blow it up. 89. It can blow?
Next question. Next question.
We want to do it. Him win already,
We
but
just
we want the
get that a while ago.
questions. We want the questions same way.
We just get that a while ago.
We did that one,
Yeah.
guys. Can we get another one? Please. Here you go.
Where does Santa Claus live?
Neville, stop it.
I don't know. I'm trying to figure out the exact address. 14A North Pole Avenue.
Antarctica.
No,
The
sir.
Earth.
No, not Paul.
You won though.
No, I want to win again. I like,
But you win already.
I like
This is the first time never actually win at something
that
and he
is-
didn't
that
cheat.
is not so.
This is the first time he won without cheating.
60. Listen up. I'm going to say this one more time. The next person on television tell me that I'm cheating, I will play no more games because I don't cheat. I will have little picture and sit up on the road and tell me some teeth. And I have an issue with that.
There's truth.
I am
to it.
serious.
There's truth to it. Next one. Oh dear. Look like you're having a rough time over there. Okay. Who tried to steal Christmas? The Grinch.
Wembley.
The North Pole with Santa, but he's just in the thing.
I have 2 balloons. Me have a small balloon there.
What? Oh, we must pick a balloon.
Yeah.
But him win already, so we just answering the questions because we like to.
We don't get none wrong yet?
Not one.
All right, give me one, make I get it wrong.
You want to get it wrong?
Which milk-based beverage is available around Christmas? However that name, eggnog.
Eggnog, yeah.
You don't want to get it wrong though.
Oh, I get a pretty balloon. Blow up this one. It has fireworks on
Yeah,
it.
no.
I don't have the lungs for do that, so you blow it up.
Look like it's just me alone you want to blow. 71. Where's 71? Pampered over there.
Hope not. Oh, you did it! Lungs of steel.
No, I'm just a good blower, you see.
Lungs of steel. Not a thing, dear. Not a thing.
We can't tie it though.
Okay, I'll tie. I'm
Next
a good
question.
tire.
Which type of tree was a partridge sitting in according to Wellman?
The pear tree.
Come.
And a partridge
Take
in
one,
a
man.
tying. You say I must tie like a tiny balloon. That was the last question? Oh my gosh, man.
We can ask you a question. It does actually look like a pear. Or
A
a bulb.
pear.
Look like a bulb. Let me ask you a question.
Go on.
If you can remember which number was the big balloon, you win a prize.
30.
30. 30 was
I'm
the big
right,
balloon.
right?
Where the
What
10,
are we
where
need?
the 10 cents? So,
Really?
you want more?
That's a prize?
You want more?
Yeah.
All right,
I'd take 100.
so who win?
We both won. We got
No, we
everything right.
did not both
Okay,
win.
never won
Thank
because
you
he
very
got the big balloon.
Thank you
Okay,
very much.
you won.
Thank you.
You feel better?
Much better.
I'm gonna go for a break. You won.
I kind of don't win.
And a partridge in a pear
What's that?
tree.
Look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
So wait, who can't tell you something?
Static.